Hi guys, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com and day 19 of the bathroom vlog. So we're really down to the last little things. I've got a short list here of, I don't know, there must be a dozen or 14 things or so left on the list. Pretty well all of them I'll get done today, other than the toilet. It's a few days away yet on order. So that'll make it, basically should make it 20 days from start to finish of actual work being done. Now that's twice as long as it normally takes me to do something like this. Usually this would be 10 to 12 working days, but just with all the video and I don't know, I think we're close to 16 or 18 or something videos just off of this bathroom and this subject. So that really slows us down, but it gave us some good content to share with you guys. So anyways, we're getting near the end. I'm gonna finish up a few little things like some bathroom accessories and get the door on, door stop. Something else I have to decide yet is what I'm gonna use for backsplash. Got to talk about that. We might just use some of this tile we used in the shower, just cut down in half. I'm not too sure. We got to figure that out yet, but we're getting down to the last little bit and most of it will be done today. So it's the end of day 19 on the bathroom vlog here, and it was kind of a quiet day. I had my list here of odds and ends that had to be finished up, and I've knocked off, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items total on there, and I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, so knocked off most of them. Got a few little accessories hanging now in the shower, curtain, that sort of thing. Added some little hooks here on the shower for hanging whatever you want to hang. Like I said before, we're waiting for the toilet still. Backsplash, I think we've decided to maybe go with a piece of quartz just like the countertop is along there. I was originally thinking the same tile as the shower, but when we put a piece up there, we're just not convinced that's the right choice. So I think we're gonna do quartz. Yeah, so got some of that done. Cabinetry all has the soft close. Oops, I don't know if I had the camera the right way. It's got the soft close doors and soft close drawers, which is kind of nice. Starting to figure out a few things in the linen cabinet here. I don't know if everything's got its actual home yet, but my little drip that I had down here, I think I might have got it now. Unfortunately, the only thing I could seem to do is put silicone up here. I couldn't get this drain tight enough. Well, I could get it tight, but for some reason I was getting a little bit of leakage over time at the back. Wasn't much, but it was still enough that eventually you're just gonna have wet stuff in this cabinet. So I had the drain in and out a bunch of times. I finally got rid of the rubber washer that they included that was supposed to go underneath here, between here and the sink, and put in plumber's putty. That didn't work. I took it in and out a couple times, redid it. Still was getting a little slight drip, so you can, I don't know if you can really see, but it's hard to tell, but the drain itself doesn't sit right straight in the drain hole in the sink. It sits a little bit forward, and this is where I'm getting the leaking. So I'm thinking that's kind of the issue. It's just not quite seating in there the way it should. So anyways, I've put some silicone there. It hasn't dripped yet today, so I think that might have solved it. Added, towel bar, those sorts of things over here. I don't remember if the door was on this morning, but got the door stop, door on, touched all the paint up. I did cut a threshold, like a transition piece of metal for here. But yeah, I had something left over from another job and I went to use it here and I cut it in short and I just didn't want to run downtown for that. So we'll pick one of those up another day when I've actually got the going downtown anyways. You remember that other door that we had that you always seen there in the early parts? So that's used to be a closet that was in the hallway here. And we decided to keep the door and just create a small little broom closet. This is just the side of the linen tower in there. So it ends up good space for little brooms and things like that. So it's pretty well done. When the toilet gets in, we're gonna change this flange. We're actually shooting a video showing how to install a flange over tile. So got to do that here in a day or so, and then the toilet will be here shortly after that and get it on, and it'll be fully functional. So anyways, that was hopefully second last day of this, and when we get the toilet all on and finished up, you'll see the final product.